Hey guys, welcome to Daily Leetcode. Today we're doing question number 121, best time to buy and sell stocks. So in this question, we have a prices array. So you can consider the 7 as a price of the stock and the position as the day of the stock. So the first day the price is 7, the second day the price is 1, third day the price is 5, fourth day the price is 3, and so on. And we need to find the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. So in this case, let's say if we buy this stock at 1 and sell it for 6, we get a profit of 5. But the thing is, we can't go backwards. We can't just go on the second day and sell it because we can't do that, right? So the first day the price was 7 and then 1, 5, 3, 6, 4. So you can do this question by different ways, but we will be using the 2 pointers method to solve this question because I think that's the easiest one to understand. So let's jump to our board and try to figure out what the solution should look like. So let's say we have our array and we will take 2 pointers. So in this case, we will take a left pointer and a right pointer. So left pointer will be at position 0 and right pointer will be at position 1. So what we can do is we can loop through this array and we can check some conditions. So in the first case, if we find that the prices at the right hand side, if it's lower than the prices at the left side, so in this case, if this is larger than this, then we know that 1 is smaller than 7. So this will become the left pointer and this will become the right pointer, and we don't need to take care of this because in order to get the profit, we need to buy it at low price and sell it high, right? But over here, we're buying it high and selling it low, so we will have a loss of -6. So we can't do that. That's why we will be moving our pointers to next value. And to find the profit or the max profit, let's consider a max profit variable and give it an initial value of 0. So when this conditions false, we will check what our profit look like. So in this case, it will be 5 minus 1, which is 4. So if our profit, this one, is greater than our max profit, then we will assign the max profit this profit. So what we did is, so we're looping through the array, right? So we have 7 and 1. This will result in -6. We don't take that. We move our pointers. Now we have 5 minus 1, which is 4. So now our max P becomes this value because previously our max P was 0. 4 is greater than 0. So this condition will store our max P as 4. And now in our next one, we will move again our right pointer. It will be 3 minus 1, which is 2. But in this case, our max P is greater than our P. So we will not apply this condition. Our max P will remain 4. And in the next case, we will have 6 minus 1, which is 5. But in this case, 5 is greater than 4. So our max P will become 5 now. And at the end, we have 4 minus 1, which is 3. But 5 is greater than 3. So our max P will remain 5 and we will return this 5 value. So what we did here, we created 2 pointers, left and right, and we're looping through this array. And in order to find the profit, we will be using this formula where we will be subtracting this value from right value to left value. And every time we get a number, we will store in the max P and we will check our max P with the previous max P value. We initialize that with 0. So at the end, we will return our max P. So I think that's probably the easiest way to solve this question. The time complexity of this algorithm is of n because we need to traverse whole array once, and the space complexity of this algorithm is of 1. So let's see how can we implement this algorithm in JavaScript. Okay, so let's see now what the solution in JavaScript look like. So we have our left pointer at 0 and our max profit at 0 as well. So we are looping through the array and we're checking the price from right and left. If left is greater than right, we will swap the left position with the right position and we will continue the loop, and then we will check the profit. The profit will come from prices and the profit will come from subtracting the left value from the right value. And if profit is greater than the max profit, we will update our max profit. And at the end, we will return that. So if I submit this solution, so our solution is submitted. And I think that's it from today's Leetcode question. I'll see you tomorrow with a new Leetcode question. Thanks a lot for watching.